Hey Realtors, wow, can you believe it's a new year already? Today we're going to talk about a new promotion we have going on that your real estate clients are going to love. Let's get started. I wanted to bring you up to speed on an awesome new promotion we have coming up this year, and that's our new member price lock. Let me explain how it works. Let's say your client has our premium home warranty plan that the seller purchased for them at $550 to cover their first year in their home. Well, many times your client may want to renew the warranty at time of renewal, the next year, but are hit with that $550 balance all at once, which is a lot to come up with for most families. This is where the new member price lock will allow them to start paying monthly for next year's renewal. For example, if you take our premium warranty plan, which is priced at $550, and divide that by 12, that comes to $45.83 a month. The $45.83 is pulled from their account monthly, and at the end of 12 months, they are paid in full. Yes, if they decide not to renew, all money paid towards their renewal is fully refundable. Plus, if they sign up for the new member price lock within 30 days after closing, we will lock in that price, that $45.83 price forever, which is huge since most warranty companies increase their renewal price each year. Also, as a special promotion going on right now, we are throwing in 12 months worth of free furnace filters for anyone who signs up. So let's recap. They get to pay monthly towards next year's renewal. Their price is locked in and will never increase as long as they continue to renew. And we are sending them 12 months worth of furnace filters for free. Now, how do they sign up? We will contact your client after closing to answer any questions they may have about their home warranty, and we will ask them if they would like to sign up for the new member price lock. You may want to also remind them about this as well, since it's such a huge benefit. Please make sure we have an updated email or phone number so we can reach out to your client and let them know about this new member price lock. If you have any questions about any of our services, do not hesitate to reach out to me personally or contact the office. Thank you for choosing home membership, and have a great day.